printing protective gear to help keep people safe during the COVID-19 crisis. A Bluffton Elementary School technology teacher is using the school's 3D printers to create face shields and frames for Sodexo food service employees distributing grab-and-go meals.
After some information that came through to Sodexo towards the end of last week, they found a greater need to increase their worker safety as well when they're doing these transactions with families who are pulling up curbside to hand out food.
Walker decided to create her own face shields after watching a YouTube video of the protective gear being made and given to ER nurses. She found a template online, made a few adjustments, and got to printing.
I've modified the file a little bit because the size of my printers, the print table is just slightly smaller than some of these other commercial printers. So I had to make it slightly smaller than the original, which meant I had to modify the transparency holes as well. So that was a little technical challenge, a little math problem that I got to challenge myself with.
It takes about 45 minutes to print out the frames, and then just a few minutes to assemble the face shield.
But basically line up the corners, the edges.
Using simple office supplies, the transparency overhead sheets, 3-hole punch, and a little bit of time. That becomes a safety device that seems to be quite successful and just seems to be able to solve a really big need at the time.
The teacher says she plans to keep making the protective gear for as long as it's needed.
We have first responders, we have police, we have fire, we have hospitals, we have all kinds of, and our own employees who are handing out packets and going door to door in some cases, making sure that our students have what they need, our families have what they need for food and school resources. So I think for what it takes to create them, the benefit is just, it just feels great.
For the Beaufort County School District, Ron Lopes.